हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज हम लोग कवर करेंगे ए सेक्सुअल से रिलेटेड 50 मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस जो सारे कम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स एंड बोर्ड एग्जाम के लिए इंपॉर्टेंट है। मैं और ए सेक्सुअल से रिलेटेड सारे टॉपिक मैंने ऑलरेडी कवर कर दिया। अगर आपने अभी तक वो वीडियो नहीं देखा है तो उसे प्रीवियस वीडियो जरूर देखें। ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। द आईज ऑफ पोटैटो ट्यूमर्स आर सूट birds. The vegetative propagation in pistia occur by opposite. Vegetative propagation in mints occur by runner. In which of the following pairs both the members can be vegetatively propagated by leaf segment? Bryophyllum and Kalonji. Transverse binary fission occur in Paramecium. Binary fission is a mode of asexual reproduction. Which of the following plant is propagated through leaves? Kalonji. Corn is grafted onto a stalk. The quality of fruit produced will be determined by the genotype of corn. Option B is the correct answer. Stem cutting are commonly used the propagation of rose. Vegetative propagation by bulbils occur in a guava. Agave. A population of genetically and morphologically identical individual formed by sexual reproduction is called as C. clone. The most significant value of vegetative propagation is that it means a large population of an individual that are genetically identical. Which of these considered immortal? Hydra. Plasmotomy is noticed in Opelina. Conidia are asexual reproductive units formed by both B and C, Penicillium and Aspergillum. The period from birth to natural death of an organism is known as lifespan. The thin-walled spores formed during asexual reproductions are zoospores, cyplanospores and conidia. All of these is right answer. Which of the following are produced during favorable conditions? Which of the following are produced during unfavorable conditions? Both A and C. Chlamydospores and hypnospores. Rhizopus reproduce asexually by spores. Bryophyllum can be propagated vegetatively by leaf. In potato, vegetative propagation takes place by stem tumor. Vegetative propagated plants are genetically similar. During favorable conditions, amoeba produced by binary fission. And in unfavorable conditions, amoeba reproduced by multiple fission. Internal buds of Spongilla are cumules. Microstomum reproduced by fragmentation. In which pair both the plants can be vegetatively propagated by leaf piece? Bryophyllum and Kalonji. Corn is grafted to a stalk. The quality of fruits produced will be determined by the genotype of B is option correct option corn. The living organism can be unexceptionally distinguished from the non-living things on the basis of their ability for B is the correct answer, reproduction. There is a hint. Reproduction is the capability to produce offspring which is seen only in living organism. Okay. Many scientists consider pirates as a living entities because these reproduce. Vegetative propagation by leaf takes place in Bryophyllum. The mode of asexual reproduction in bacteria are endospore formation. Option B is correct answer. Vegetative propagation in mint occurs by sucker. Nuclear membrane is absent in. Option A is correct answer. Monera. Vegetative propagation in Pistia occur by offset. What is the common between vegetative reproduction and apomixis? Both produce progeny identical to the parents. Which one of the following pairs is wrongly matched while remaining 3 are correct? D is right answer. Water Hyacinthe runner. The eyes of the potato tumors are axillary buds. In grafting, the portion to be grafted on the main part is called. Option D is correct answer. Scone. Banana is vegetatively propagated by rhizome. Option B is correct answer. Correct. Why asexual reproduction is sometimes disadvantaged? It produces genetically uniform population. Which one group of following plant is propagated through underground water? Sweet potato, Asparagus topica and Dahlia. Option D is correct answer. Scone is grafted to a stalk. The quality of fruit produced will be determined by the genotype of scone. Option B is correct answer. Exponential growth occurs in asexual reproduction. Horizontal underground stem is rhizome. A vegetative propagation in mints occurs by sucker. Option C is correct answer. The type of asexual reproduction found in Hydra is budding. Lifespan of parrot is 140 years. Planaria possess high capacity of regeneration. Asexual reproduction in fungi takes place by option D, conidiospore. In which of the following processes results in the formation of clone of bacteria is binary fission. All these multiple choice questions are very important for all types of competitive exams and board exams. So if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel, and if you like this video, please like and share to your all friends. Thank you so much.